In the realm of midweight adventure motorcycles, expectations are high and options are abundant. Riders crave performance, comfort, off-road capability, and modern features, but they also don't want to break the bank. This is where the 2026 Moto Morini Escape 700 makes its most compelling statement. At a glance, it might appear to be another contender in the growing ADV segment, but a deeper look reveals a machine that's been deliberately and smartly refined. The Escape 700 doesn't just aim to compete, it aims to over-deliver. At a modest MSRP of $8,299. The Escape 700 builds on the solid platform of the outgoing 650 model and evolves in all the right directions. It's more powerful, more capable, and far more modern, all while maintaining an unmistakable Italian flair. For the rider looking to do everything from weekday commuting to cross-country, touring, and off-road exploration, the Escape 700 checks nearly every box. A heart that beats stronger. The upgraded enginette soul of any motorcycle is its engine, and for 2026, Moto Morini has reworked its power plant into something that feels noticeably more alive. The displacement rises to 693cc, giving it a modest bump over the previous 649cc unit, but the impact is anything but minor. Horsepower rises to approximately 70 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute, while torque increases to a healthy 50 feet-pounds at 6,500 revolutions per minute. These aren't just arbitrary boosts, they translate directly into a more responsive throttle, quicker roll-ons, and better overall tractability, whether on tarmac or trail. The previous top speed of 105 miles per hour has been nudged up to 115 miles per hour, giving the bike more headroom for long-distance touring or passing maneuvers. To ride modes road and dirt are now included to help fine-tune power delivery based on terrain, offering just enough flexibility without overcomplicating the experience. This power is fed through a revised 2-in-1 exhaust that not only saves weight, but also improves heat management and aesthetics. Smoother shifts, greater control. While many motorcycles in this price bracket still rely on basic clutch systems, Moto Morini has equipped the Escape 700 with a slipper clutch. This makes for smoother downshifts and better stability when entering corners or slowing down suddenly on uneven terrain. While the model doesn't yet feature an assist function or a quick shifter, the adjustable clutch lever helps tailor control to different hand sizes and riding styles. For newer riders, this makes the bike more forgiving. For seasoned adventurers, it offers the kind of subtle mechanical assistance that builds confidence on both paved and unpaved surfaces. Built for real adventures, advanced suspension setupone of the standout upgrades on the Escape 700 is its suspension. Up front, a beefy 50mm Marzocchi inverted fork is fully adjustable and delivers 6.9 inches of travel, more than enough for spirited trail work or navigating poorly maintained roads. In the rear, a KYB monoshock adds 6.5 inches of travel, complete with a user-friendly preload adjustment knob and rebound damping. This setup gives the bike a noticeably more planted and responsive feel over the 650 model. Whether you're hitting a forest trail or negotiating potholes in the city, the suspension adapts well, keeping the ride composed without being overly stiff or flat. Combined with a steel trellis frame and aluminum swing arm, the chassis feels robust yet nimble, a crucial quality in the midway adventure category where flexibility is key. A dash that does more. Smart display and built-in camera. Moto Morini has taken an impressive leap into modernity with the Escape 700's 7-inch TFT display. Unlike the sluggish or overly cluttered screens found on some competitors, this one is responsive, glove-friendly, and refreshingly intuitive. Redesigned graphics and improved processing speed make it easy to read critical data at a glance, whether you're moving fast or navigating rough terrain. But what truly sets it apart is the integration of a front-facing camera, a unique addition that syncs to a dedicated Moto Morini smartphone app. Riders can record their rides, save scenic journeys, or even document unexpected road incidents. Bluetooth connectivity allows for turn-by-turn navigation, call and music management, and helmet communication system pairing. With both USB and USB-C ports on board, you can keep all your devices charged throughout the journey. Practicality meets comfort. 2026 Escape 700 isn't just a machine built for performance, it's also thoughtfully designed for rider comfort and usability. The new larger windscreen is adjustable with one hand, allowing on-the-fly tweaks without dismounting. It's a seemingly small upgrade that makes a big difference in real-world riding. The aluminum tapered handlebars are 6-position adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune their reach and posture. Handguards come standard, adding protection and furthering the bike's adventure-ready appearance. Seat height remains a manageable 33.3 inches, striking a good compromise between ground clearance and accessibility. Combined with the upright riding triangle, the Escape 700 is comfortable enough for all-day rides without fatigue. Built-in utility, center stand and tubeless spoked wheels. Experienced riders will appreciate the addition of a center stand, a feature often omitted from bikes in this price bracket. Whether it's cleaning the chain, repairing a tire, or packing gear, having a center stand on an ADV bike is a major convenience. Just as important, the bike now rolls on tubeless spoked wheels, 19 inches in front and 17 inches in the rear shod. In Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tires, these are ready to tackle everything from light trails to rain-slicked pavement straight out of the crate. The ability to run tubeless tires is a huge advantage in the field, as punctures are far easier to repair without disassembling the wheel. Safety and braking stopping power is handled by dual 298mm front discs and a single 255mm rear disc, with components provided by Brembo, a name synonymous with performance braking. Bosch switchable ABS is also on board, allowing riders to disable rear wheel intervention when navigating loose surfaces or technical terrain. This setup adds a welcome layer of safety without compromising off-road control. While not the most advanced suite of electronics, the essentials are covered thoughtfully and executed well. Colors, warranty, and value-add. Escape 700 will be available in two distinct colors: Carrara White and Italia Red, both of which embrace the bike's Italian identity without veering into garish territory. The visual updates are restrained, focusing more on smooth bodywork and quality finish than flashy graphics. Moto Morini backs the bike with a generous 3-year, unlimited mile warranty, a strong statement of confidence in the product's durability and engineering in a segment where some rivals offer just 1 year of coverage. This extra peace of mind matters, and perhaps most impressively, the MSRP is just $8,299. In a world where prices are skyrocketing and adventure often comes with a 5-figure price tag, the Escape 700 delivers an outstanding balance of cost and capability.